Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Geek. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to show you how to log into Bigo Live. In order to do so, keep watching the video till the end and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Go ahead and press the bell icon so that you never miss another update from us. To log into Bigo Live, tap open the application first. Make sure you have signed up to Bigo Live. After you're done, tap open the app. The first thing you'll need to do is select your country code from the menu, and once you're done, enter your mobile number. You can also log into Bigo Live from your Facebook account, your Google account, or your Twitter account. After entering your phone number, tap on the next button and enter the password for your account. After entering the password, tap on the login button in order to log into your account. But in case you've forgotten your password, you can reset your password by tapping on Forgot Password button right under the Login via Verification Code button. You can even log in with a verification code. To do so, tap on Login via Verification Code and tap on the Send button at the right corner and wait for your verification code to arrive on your mobile number. After it does, you'll be automatically signed into Bigo Live. That is how you can log in to Bigo Live quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.